Hi, everybody. It's Doreen Velin. I'm here at Freedom's Door, and it's a men's recovery group. And I'm just showing you what I have been working at for quite some time, and that is trying to impress that art is a great way to release our emotions. It's not about doing a pretty picture. We're not talking about that. So just want to introduce you and let you know what I'm going to be doing and interviewing some of the young people here that are working so hard at their recovery. So thank you very much for joining me. Well, this is a young man, his name, and this is Jay, and he's working on some really nice, colorful leaves and using pencil crayon. And I like the way he does the shading and that. This is what I like. I like the dark and the light and the medium. You've got 3 different tones there. So that's the technical part. So you're very technical, to means you have a lot of concentration. Shows me you have patience, concentration, and a little bit of a perfectionist, maybe. Very, very neat, very tidy person. Am I right?
Yeah.
So what would you say that's happening with you inside when you do this?
It reminds me of my grandfather, really good times on the island. He always had a thing for horseshoes. He used to throw them and had one on his wedding band. So it reminded me of him and all of the good things that he did for myself and my family.
Wow,
So,
that's beautiful.
thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you for sharing that with me.
No problem.
I got to know you and your grandpa. Thank you. So this is young peaches. I'm not going to say man or woman here. Oh boy, the orchards. The rhinos are in the orchards.
Yeah, there's no rhinos out there, but
You're gonna make one in there?
I picked a rhino because he's ready for battle. He's not too sure what he's gonna do about these 2 horns here, but I think if we flip them upside down and put them on the iron plate in the back there, it just kind of shows that animals go through battle in the same way.
Well, that's good. That's true. And what goes? It's. Are you thinking of that? The battles that you've gone through and persevered through when you do that? Does that come to your mind, or are you concentrating? You're focused on that, and it kind of takes your mind off the battles.
Well, when it comes to color, like I was checking out the location of the rhinos and
Yeah.
different colors. There's healthy rhinos. This is same as humanity or whatnot, but
Right.
You can tell a lot by their structure and stuff like that, what they've gone through. So
Yeah.
yeah, they should.
That's wonderful. Thank you, Peaches.
But color wise, I have no idea. He looks pretty calm, but I'd probably want to ride him right in between here and not so much up here. It's just nothing to hang on to. So he'd probably
Hang
do
on
a
the
back.
horn.
It's a great way to learn how to do a backflip. Eh? He'll just, there you go, right on top.
Right on. Thanks, Peaches.
You're welcome.
You're cute.
This
So this is a young man, his Steve. And Steve, you've been working on this for a long time, Steve, haven't you?
Yeah, for a while.
Wow, and I love the color combinations. You've got a lot of patience. To me, you've got a really good eye for color mixture because you're putting, like, this is kind of cool colors, this is warm, and we call that in art a warm, cool push.
Oh, yeah.
You always put like a cool with a warm, that's kind of warm, like a fire engine red, and that's kind of cool. So that's really, really cool. So whether you even know it or not, you're doing you're really good art. So what goes through your mind? You've been working on this for quite a few weeks. So what goes through your mind when you work on that? What goes through you?
It's just therapy.
Yeah.
You know, that I came here to recover from addictions, and there's a lot of confusion going on in my head.
Mm-hmm.
So I found art therapeutic. When I do art, I concentrate on what I'm doing right in front of me,
Right.
and the rest of the world just gets toned out.
That's awesome.
So
That's awesome.
by doing that for at least an hour or 2 every day,
Yeah. And you take this to your room so you can do it every day because you've
I've
been
done
working on
quite
a long time.
Yeah,
Oh, good.
a lot of art.
Let's
I've
see.
done.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, Steve, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that one. Oh, I love that. You've got to frame that one. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, Steve. That's magnificent. Oh my gosh. Those are beautiful. Wow. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I want that frame too. That's awesome. Oh,
Maybe you should go to the woodwork shop and build a bunch of frames.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, you
look
know.
at that. Guns N' Roses gone. Oh my God, isn't that one beautiful? That's got a real native look to it, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
First Nations, yeah. Oh, Steve. How long does it take you to do one of these suckers?
Oh, probably a day.
What?
At first, it was like 3 days. I couldn't concentrate as much as I do now, but now I just look at it and I figure in my mind I see what I want to see or want to do,
Wow.
and then I get down to brass tacks and do it.
Wow, that is most beautiful, awesome thing to see. Oh my gosh. Where do you get the pictures?
From you.
Really? I didn't know I had these pictures.
you.
I didn't even know I had them.
I look all over the place. I look and checking all the cupboards, and
Oh
they're
my
pretty neat
gosh.
pictures. Yeah, some of them are tattoo art.
Yeah,
So yeah.
that's that tattoo book we have.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I took over.
That's beautiful. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah. So it just keeps me calm.
Thank you.
It's therapy for me, I guess. Yeah.
That's beautiful. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for sharing.
Hi, my name is Tom Smithwick, and I'm one of the founders and volunteer directors at Freedom Store. Freedom Store is a recovery home for addicts with addiction recovery, mental health recovery in Kelowna. We've operated since September of 2002, so we're in 23rd year now. And there's been over 2,000 men who've gone through our program. We assist people with a 12-step recovery program. It's faith-based. It's based upon the 12-step principles of recovery that have been operating for 90 years in North America, very successfully. So one of the things that we do at Freedom Store is to offer a whole plethora of different programs, different recovery counseling type of programs. And one of those includes our art program that we started not quite a year ago. On Friday mornings, the men operate a healing through art experience with Stan and Doreen Velin. Doreen is the real artist in the family, and she shows the men how healing can occur through expressing themselves. And that kind of expression can go really deep inside and let out some feelings, some emotions, some traumas. And it can be expressed into the art forms of various kinds. Multiple art forms are used in this program. And I'm showing you one of them actually right here. I decided, because we've been operating for quite some time, that maybe I would enjoy the experience of doing some art as well. So about 6 months ago or so, I joined the art program. And Doreen showed me, well, this is what you can do. I've never done art before in my life, but never too late to start. You can be in your 70s and start something new. Why not? So here's one of my pictures. And basically, this is a pencil drawing, color pencil, done by hand of an old truck. I like the old style vehicles, so I've done a couple of them. And yeah, it's enjoyable, it's relaxing, it's expressive. You let some emotions, some feelings out, you put it onto a piece of paper, it feels good. So we're really happy to have Doreen and Stan Velin assist us as volunteers, teaching art, teaching healing, all good.